Today I'm gonna share this vehicle wrap mockup with you. This is one of the nicer mockup for vehicle wrap. Let me show you how you need to apply your design to this vehicle. So let me open my design. So I'll apply these two designs. So we need two different designs here. One for the front and another for the side. So that's why I have two designs here. Now in mockup there are many layers. So let me open this one, and under this there is an option for ban hot branding and ban side branding. So you need to double click on this layer. Now a new layer is open, and to this new layer you need to apply your front design here. So this is the one for the front design. So let me drag it and release it here. Click yes. So make the design size little bit bigger by dragging it. Make sure how much this original mockup design is covering. You need to fill up to that. If you go beyond that, then you'll not get a good result. And mark it. Now hide the original mockup design. So there is a layer to hide it. Now close the tab, click on yes, and wait for the mockup to be applied. Here you can see the difference now once it processed. Similarly, we need to apply another design here. So for that there is another options. So you need to double click on this smart object. So again a new layer will be open here. Now to this new layer, let me drag our side design and release it here. Click yes. Now let me drag it and place it perfectly. So don't go beyond this limit. Follow the original mockup design so that you can get a good result. Now it's perfect. Let me hide the original layer of the mockup. And now close the tab, click on yes, and wait for the mockup to be applied. Once it is processed, you'll see the difference here. Our design will be applied and replace this design here. Hope you understand how to use this mockup and apply your design. Now let me tell you how you can download this mockup. So open your browser. This is the website from where you can download this mockup for free. Let me scroll it. And you can see the different version of this same mockup. This mockup is completely editable. You can change the color of the car body. You can see here. So this way you can change the complete color of the van, and you can apply your own design. And here is the download link. So once you click on this download link, your downloading file will be shown here. So this one is downloading now. So already I have downloaded this. So let me cancel it. So hope it helps you. You can support our channel. Thank you.